Be careful, the knife is sharp.
Be careful, the knife is sharp.
The mirror is foggy.
The mirror is foggy.
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
The water is boiling.
The water is boiling.
Stop snoring.
Stop snoring.
I need some fresh air.
I need some fresh air.
Can you hand me a towel?
Can you hand me a towel?
I had a nightmare.
I had a nightmare.
This room is a mess.
This room is a mess.
The dishes are piling up.
The dishes are piling up.
Don't forget your keys.
Don't forget your keys.
Let's order some food.
Let's order some food.
I'm going out for a bit.
I'm going out for a bit.
I need a break.
I need a break.
The soup smells delicious.
The soup smells delicious.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Stop procrastinating.
Stop procrastinating.
Can you turn off the lights?
Can you turn off the lights?
Where is my pajama?
Where is my pajama?
I play games on my tablet.
I play games on my tablet.
The trash is full. Can you take it out?
The trash is full. Can you take it out?
Let's play a board game.
Let's play a board game.
Can you help me with the dishes?
Can you help me with the dishes?
I need a cup of coffee.
I need a cup of coffee.
Can you turn off the fan?
Can you turn off the fan?
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
I'm home.
I'm home.
I have so much to tell you.
I have so much to tell you.
We need to buy some groceries.
We need to buy some groceries.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
Where is my notebook?
Where is my notebook?
I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
The Wi-Fi is so slow today.
The Wi-Fi is so slow today.
Let's bake a cake.
Let's bake a cake.
Be careful, the stove is hot.
Be careful, the stove is hot.
I can't concentrate with all this noise.
I can't concentrate with all this noise.
I need to chop some vegetables.
I need to chop some vegetables.
Do we have any snacks?
Do we have any snacks?
I love taking long baths.
I love taking long baths.
The bed is so comfy.
The bed is so comfy.
I just bought a new gaming console.
I just bought a new gaming console.
Can you hand me the remote?
Can you hand me the remote?
I feel so sleepy.
I feel so sleepy.
I need to buy more soap.
I need to buy more soap.
I love this song.
I love this song.
Let's take a selfie.
Let's take a selfie.
The soup is a bit salty.
The soup is a bit salty.
This movie is so boring.
This movie is so boring.
Who's up for dessert?
Who's up for dessert?
Don't use too much toothpaste.
Don't use too much toothpaste.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
I have a lot of homework.
I have a lot of homework.
What should we cook today?
What should we cook today?
Can I borrow your headphones?
Can I borrow your headphones?
The pillow is too soft.
The pillow is too soft.
This blanket is so warm.
This blanket is so warm.
I had a nightmare.
I had a nightmare.
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry.
Let's turn on the TV.
Let's turn on the TV.
Can you keep it down?
Can you keep it down?
This is too spicy for me.
This is too spicy for me.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
The trash is full. Can you take it out?
The trash is full. Can you take it out?
Lunch is ready.
Lunch is ready.
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
Can you close the curtains?
Can you close the curtains?
Let's clean the house together.
Let's clean the house together.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Let's light the candles.
Let's light the candles.
I'm so bored.
I'm so bored.
Stop using your phone all the time.
Stop using your phone all the time.
Be careful on the road.
Be careful on the road.
Let's take a family photo.
Let's take a family photo.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Let's wake up early tomorrow.
Let's wake up early tomorrow.
No more screen time.
No more screen time.
Can you sweep the floor?
Can you sweep the floor?
What did you do today?
What did you do today?
I have to water the plants.
I have to water the plants.
This couch is so comfortable.
This couch is so comfortable.
I'm so full.
I'm so full.
Let's order some pizza.
Let's order some pizza.
Did you lock the door?
Did you lock the door?
I need some alone time.
I need some alone time.
I can't sleep.
I can't sleep.
The TV is too loud.
The TV is too loud.
Let's eat some popcorn.
Let's eat some popcorn.
The milk was left out of the fridge.
The milk was left out of the fridge.
I really enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed that.
I'm so tired today.
I'm so tired today.
Stop changing the channel.
Stop changing the channel.
Let's take a walk.
Let's take a walk.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
I'll be back in an hour.
I'll be back in an hour.
We need to do the laundry.
We need to do the laundry.